Hello, how are you guys? Welcome to Principles of Accounting lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to look at Introduction to Principles of Accounting. My main objective of this lesson is to teach you what is accounting. But before I explain what is accounting, there are three terms we are supposed to know their meanings so that it will be easy for you to understand what is accounting. These three terms are as follows: business transaction, books of accounts, and bookkeeping. Let's start by defining a business transaction. Business transaction is an event which involves the transfer or the exchange of money or something of monetary value. Meaning to say, if the business bought goods for resale, that event is a business transaction. Why are we saying it's a business transaction? Because the business is receiving something of monetary value from the supplier in form of goods. In exchange of those goods, the business is paying cash to the supplier, hence it's a business transaction. Let's look at another example of business transaction. Business sold goods for $500 and received cash. This one is also a business transaction because the business is exchanging goods for cash with its customers. By the way, my name is Chakachwa. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. Let's look at what are books of accounts. Books of accounts are books into which business transactions are recorded. In accounting, there are several books we use when recording business transactions. These are as follows: sales journal, purchases journal, sales returns journal, purchase returns journal, general journal, cash book, petty cash book, and the big one which is called ledger. Moving on to bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the systematic recording of all business transactions in the books of accounts. In other words, bookkeeping is all about recording business transactions in the books of accounts. Up to this far, we are in a position to define what a business transaction, books of accounts, and bookkeeping, and we are only left with accounting. What is accounting? Accounting is the systematic recording of all business transactions in the books of accounts, preparation, analysis, and interpretation of financial statements. Meaning to say, accounting starts with bookkeeping, that is, continuous recording of business transactions in the books of accounts. After we record business transactions in the books of accounts, we prepare financial statements. We also analyze and interpret financial statements to the users of accounting information. That's all for today. In the next lesson, I'm going to outline the difference between accounting and bookkeeping. See you in the next video.